So to give you an example, this is like the regular. So I have roof lights right there. The two light bars. Boom. Let's see it from here as well. I'm in the, it's like a really big snowstorm tonight here in Toronto, and I'm just in the parking lot. Just wanted to show you how the lights are like at night with all the LEDs I have. So yeah, it's just a brief little demonstration. So here, well, let me show you, start off with the rearview mirror, rearview camera, I guess, screen. Many of you asked like, how is it in low light? So to give you an example, this is like the regular backup screen that I originally had, and it's really not that bright. And up here you can see that it's really bright. This is with no lights at all, so definitely recommend this. Now let's see, with the lights, let's do just this is just my, let's do fog lights. So focus. Okay, so those are my fog lights. The yellow fogs. These are the Auxbeam pods, and they're spot, so you can tell they're very directional. And then if I turn on the, let me turn on the HIDs. So these are the projectors, the retrofit projectors, and the color of the bulbs are, I think, 6000K. So you can see they're warming up. And it's a nice cutoff here. You can see that the light doesn't go above this line right here where my finger is. Yeah, and then if you add that with the fog lights, it looks like that. Right, and then let me turn these guys off. I'm going to show you the light bar. Actually, no, let's do the roof lights. So I have roof lights right there. The two pods I have on the top. Gives me that kind of look. So I'm purposely doing this in the snow just because then you guys have a better idea. So yeah, so these are the roof lights. Turn that off, and they're ready for the dual light bars. It's gonna be pretty bright. Okay, so dual light bars will look like this. Boom. Yep. So if I do HIDs with the fog lights and the roof lights and the light bars, boom, that's really bright. That's just a little overkill. Okay, so I have side lights as well. So let's just make it coughing. Okay, side lights. So if you look out, boom, side lights, left and right. Because then without these, it's pretty dark, right? So they do come in handy sometimes for days like this. And then the super bright rear fog light, you can see from here. And there it is. Off and on. You can see it from here as well. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Let me know if any questions, and I will try to answer them in the comments, okay? Alright, thanks for watching. See you.